Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So a while ago, I shared a neat idea about creating a shrinking maze game where your sprite got smaller depending on where you're at in the maze. But I want to show you another maze game that I created, and I called it the Spooky Maze Game. So you press the green flag. Starts playing some spooky music. That's backwards. Okay, the level's disappearing. I'm supposed to get to the screen, but I can't see. So this sprite is basically like holding a lantern, and the lantern will show you where the walls are. And if you're going through this and you happen to touch a wall, like the one that's right here, it sends you all the way back to the beginning. So your goal is to get to the green square in each one of the levels. So as you're going through this, the levels get harder in terms of how difficult they are. And a ghost appears. And if the ghost touches you, then it sends you all the way back to the beginning. And that ghost is pretty random. So this is a project that I created, and I think it's a pretty neat idea, if I may say so myself. So if you'd like to, try and reverse engineer how to do this on your own by playing through this game. And then going, how can I create something like this in Scratch? Or if you'd like to, you can simply go to the link in the description, and then click See Inside, and you can see the code that I used to make the player move, make the ghost, etc. And even the light effect, which check out the costume. That'll give you a little hint of what's going on here. So check out the link in the description below, and then create your own remix of this spooky maze game, and make sure you comment below your version of this, so that way we can see the awesome stuff that you are creating in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.